Today I'm going to show you how to make these little dividers in these little bags so that you can keep your partials and your petties all together but divided. You're going to need, again, like last time when we made our albums, you're going to need aluminum foil. You're going to need a metal ruler. You're also going to need your wood burning tool, and you're going to need these little bags from the marketing materials. If you don't have those, you could probably also use your purple or white Jamberry mailer envelopes. So let's give it a whirl. Okay ladies, so you probably have all your little samples like I did in just one big bag, and in order to organize them, we're going to use these same clear envelopes from the marketing materials. What you're going to want to do is take the envelope, and I folded it to half right at the line where it says remove to expose adhesive. And I did that because having the bag at the same length would make it really difficult to get the jams out. So by cutting it in half, it's going to be much easier to access them. So I folded it in half, and I'm actually going to take my ruler, put my aluminum foil underneath, sorry. I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to line it up where I made the fold. And then I'm going to use my wood burning tool to actually cut that bag in half. And if I move a little slowly across the ruler, it actually is going to, because it's so hot, it's going to melt the bag and actually make a cut. As you can see, it's kind of holding there, so I'm gonna have to go over it one more time, just to where it's actually gonna cut the bag. And now I have a sealed bottom, because the wood burning tool actually made a seal at the bottom. And so now I have a smaller bag, and we're gonna hold on to this, so don't throw that away. Then I'm gonna take this again and I'm gonna fold it in half again, just so I have a perfect line. And again, follow that line with your ruler and with your wood burning tool. Now this time you don't wanna cut it in half, so you're gonna wanna make sure that you go not slowly, but rather quickly across. And what that'll do is that'll fuse your bag together and not cut it all the way through. So now I have a perfect little seal there. And then what I found is that the ruler actually is the perfect space. So I'm going to put this part of the ruler on this score that I just made, or the fuse that I just made. That'll be my guiding line. And then this other line will be where I make my next fuse. And then I'm going to take the ruler and move to this side of the line, and that'll make my pocket again. So, well, you can see this a little bit better that way. I actually now have 1, 2, 3, and 4 little bitty pockets for my sample sheets. If you wanted to make a Pedi pack, then you would just do the line down the middle, and you would have a space here for Pedi pack 1 and a space here for Pedi pack 2. So what are we going to do with this leftover? Well, all you have to do is, now this is completely sealed on both sides because it was sealed originally and then I made a new seal. So what to do is just take some scissors and slice this open again. And then if I'm going to make send maybe a customer a Pedi pack, or perhaps I want to put Legos in here, I don't know, there's so many things that we could do, I guess. Then all I would have to do is cut this one in half. I'm sorry, fold it in half. I don't want to cut it. Fold it in half, take my wood burning tool again, go all the way across quickly so it doesn't cut it in half. And I have another one. This one, of course, won't have the adhesive at the top, but it's still nice to give to a customer. Any questions? Let me know.